SQL Server BI training, and this is Siva Girmala. And in this series SQL Server BI training, I'm going to create a website to cover the salient features of SQL Server from BI perspective, and SQL Server integration services, and SQL Server analysis services, and SQL Server reporting services, and performance point. I would like to cover the features of SQL Server 2012 from BI perspective, not from a DBA point of view. Whatever that is required to understand the BI concepts, we will cover those fundamentals from SQL Server 2012, and we are going to do videos on integration services with the main features fully covered, and then we will go into the analysis services, and we will cover building cubes, and we will go into SQL Server reporting services when we will build some reports, and we will cover these topics in detail. And I would like to create these videos as a step-by-step instruction so that you can follow along. And this series is basically targeted for the newcomers into the SQL Server BI field. And I would like to limit these videos to 10 to 12 minutes each, and there will be an exercise on each topic, and I will make those exercises as much interesting as possible. And at the end of the series, we are going to create a full-blown data warehouse project, and we'll go into the details when we are going into those topic introductions one by one. And who am I? And I'm Siva Girmala, working in IT for the past 13 years. I started my career as a web developer in IT, and I moved into databases, and I have expertise with Oracle and SQL Server. And right now I'm working as a BI developer and as an analyst. And prior to this SQL Server BI training series, the one we are talking about right now, I created a data warehouse project based on US County business patterns from, I collected that information from census.gov. So that was a full-blown data warehouse project, starting from sourcing the data from the census.gov and then loading the staging tables, building the relational database, and then building the data warehouse, and on top of that building cubes and report, etc. And the name of the blog is uscountybusinesspatterns.blogpost.com, and there is a tiny URL also. And the difference between that data warehouse project and this series is I would like to cover these topics one at a time, and we will go in a sequential manner. If somebody, for those newbies, it will be helpful to understand the SQL Server as a BI platform in full shape. Let's get started.